Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing the right charger and power source. Pick a certified Qi pad rated 5W to 15W and a QC or PD adapter. Once plugged in, check the pad LED to confirm power. You then set the phone down centered over the coil. Align the camera module or center logo with the charger marking. If your case is thicker than 3 mm or has magnets or cards, remove it now. This reduces heat and ensures charging starts quickly and reliably. Now you fine-tune alignment. Small shifts forward or backward can change current significantly, so nudge the phone until the charging icon appears. Make sure the pad LED shows active charge. If the phone only buzzes or shows a transient icon, reposition gently. Once charging stabilizes, check for warmth. Some heat is normal, but excessive heat slows charging. Make sure the phone is on a flat, ventilated surface and not covered. This helps maintain steady power and keeps charging speeds consistent. To complete charging, leave the phone until it reaches your desired battery percentage and then remove it promptly to avoid excess heat. If charging does not start, reboot your phone and retry. Once done, swap the pad or cable to isolate the fault. Make sure the adapter provides sufficient wattage and that the phone software is up to date. One quick troubleshooting tip: if alignment and case removal fail, try a different certified pad. This rules out a defective charger without wasting time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.